My biggest concern was that the economy. I mean, times are tough, and I was really afraid that the house was going to be sitting on the market for years.
We had some family things we had to address and move closer to our family.
If it had sat on the market for years, we would have just been making multiple mortgage payments.
We had previous experience with other companies that were not as successful, and we knew with selling our home this time we wanted to do the right way.
When we first interviewed the Christine Lee team, is that we wanted it to be almost like a wedding planner, is the term that I use. It's the one-stop shop that can assist us, especially with us being remote, that team could handle all aspects of us selling our home, any repairs that were needed, anything that needed to be done. They were always there for us.
Personally, for me, the experience was very stress-free. I felt like that Christine was able to provide me with recommendations, and I wasn't alone in making the decision. I would ask her questions, she would give me feedback, and it was really a great experience because I felt like she had the knowledge that I didn't, and as an expert I wanted to rely on somebody and not have to depend on myself to have to come up with all the answers for the negotiations.
Yeah, and historically when we sold previous houses, we didn't get that commitment. You know, it's like, here was your offer, what do you think? Yeah, we're very thrilled. We're thrilled. Today we are actually we're closing on the house, so the house is sold.
Very quickly. It was faster than I ever imagined it could go, and we both worked very long hours. We're very stressed out, and now we're stress-free, and we'll be walking out of here with our final closing check and all happy. So what was refreshing about working with the Christine Lee team is that when previously we've used a realtor, you sign up with them, they put out the flyers, and then you don't hear from them. So you have to chase them constantly to get updates on what's going on. Are there any viewings? Has anybody checked into the house? And so in the Christine Lee team, that was completely not the case. They were communicating with us every day, every week, and more often as necessary, and I never felt like they had forgot that I was their client. That they were always there for me.
I think it really boils down to the marketing strategy that the Christine Lee team has. Before, as you mentioned with other realtors, you would send some flyers, but there's a difference between just sending out a flyer and just active marketing to those people that are actually out there looking for homes. We got the most money for the house that we could in this time. At a scale of 1 to 10, if we couldn't rate it 11, it would be a 10. Definitely astonished us and got our home sold very quickly.